Hi everyone, for today's video I just want to talk about the 4 most common reasons on why your pool pump stopped working. So your pool pump might be making some humming noises, or it might just be quiet and not doing anything. The first thing that you want to check if your pool pump is totally quiet is the plug. If you look at the plug in your pool pump, you will see a reset and test button. From time to time this thing might actually trip, especially when there's like a rain or a lot of humidity. This thing might cause it to trip. So if you go like this, you see that it tripped it, and you can actually reset it by clicking on the reset button. Okay, or if you have it plugged into your outside outlet, some outlet might have a GCFI built in as well, so you may want to check that too. Make sure it's not reset somewhere. Okay, if you don't have this in your outlet but you have other outlets around your home outside, you may want to check those as well, because usually they are in one circuit and one of your outlet might have the GCFI switch. So let me go put this back in. The second reason is that you may need to change your filter. If you're not aware, the filter on this pool will need to be replaced once a week at least. You know, we're used to changing our AC filter or HVAC filter every 3 months. For the pool, it's not that long. You need to replace this or clean the filter out once a week. So for me, I clean the filter out every 4 or 5 days, and that keeps my pool running properly. Okay, sometimes you'll just hear a humming noise but you don't feel any pressure out to your pool, because when you have a dirty filter, it's basically clogged and it's not pulling the water out and pushing it back to the pool. So to replace the filter, just check my other video on how to remove and clean and replace the filter, and I have a technique on how to do it so that you don't lose the water, and make sure that you have proper seal after that. Okay, so the third most common reason is you have an air in your filter, or you might have an air in one of your hoses, and that usually happens when you replace your filter. So basically, once you replace your filter, you want to make sure that you release the air from all the hoses, and you can do that by opening this valve right here. Okay, and when you do that, you want to make sure that your pump is on the ground. You don't want it on a higher level. Okay, so you just want to go ahead and open it like this, and basically when you do that, it releases all the air from your hoses and it pushes it out, and now water is coming out of your pump. Okay, so now let me go put it back in. Now the fourth and final reason is that you might have a leak somewhere around your pump system. So you might have a leak right here. You might have a leak in one of your hoses. And if you look over here, I actually experienced this. I actually experienced a leak somewhere around here, and I have to replace it. So basically, when it's pulling the water, it's also pulling some air in it, and it basically makes your pump stop working. And that's about it, and I hope that this video is helpful to you. Please make sure to click the like and the subscribe button to help my channel, and thank you for watching.